What's going on, people, and welcome to this new video and new training series of how to build affiliate marketing business from scratch. So this is the first part. There's going to be a playlist in my YouTube showing you how to basically build affiliate marketing business from scratch. So make sure you make sure you hit that bell button to get those notifications when I put new videos up, because they're going to come thick and fast every week, 3-4 times weekly. And I want to show you how to build an affiliate marketing business, because people talk about it, people say do affiliate marketing, it's great, but I want to go deeper than that and I want to show you how. Okay, so I hope you can hear me, hope I'm nice and clear. And like I said, we are going to talk about, see if I'll move my head, that'll do. How to build affiliate marketing from scratch. I want to go through in depth. I want to split this up into a series because there's a lot to take in. I want you to watch, take notes, take action. My recommended affiliate marketing program, if you want to know already, is in the first link below. And stay to the end because you're going to get a lot of value, guys. Okay, so how to build affiliate marketing business from scratch. The setup. We need to know, before we start talking about traffic, what products and all that, we need to understand the setup of affiliate marketing, because people do this wrong. People skip this part, and it's the foundations of having a successful affiliate marketing business, which this is what works in any niche. Okay, so this is a setup for any niche that works very well, and a lot of these 6, 7, 8 figure earners have this simple setup. Okay, so let's go into it. First of all, I just want to cover what is affiliate marketing, and don't worry if you're getting confused with any of this that I'm going through. We are going to go through a live when I go through the slides at the end, we're going to go through it live. Okay, I'm going to show you what everything is. Okay, so if you're thinking about the terms and not understand it, don't worry, I will go over it and show you live. Okay, go on the computer and show you what certain things are. So let's keep it simple. Affiliate marketing, you are promoting a product. Like I said, it could be in any niche, fitness niche, whatever niche it is. You are promoting a product created by someone else, and when you make a sale, you get a commission for promoting that product. And commissions can range from 40, 50, 60, 80, even to 100%. Okay, commissions. So you're basically finding a product someone else has created, which is a good product, and through the series I'll tell you what good products are and what not, and where to find them. So all the good stuff is coming, so make sure you sub, I've said it before, and hit that bell button, because this stuff is worth thousands. Okay, people pay thousands to get this information, and that's serious. I have, many have. Okay, and I'm giving it to you on this YouTube channel, and I'm going to grow this YouTube channel big, and people go start earning online because of this. Okay, I'm pumped for it. I'm pumped for it, honestly. So basically, yeah, you're promoting a product created by someone else, and you get a commission. That's all it is. That's all it is. It could be any niche, like I said, fitness, dog training, makeup, any the niches and the industries. There's so many you can get into. So my best tip is, whatever you have a passion for, get into that. Okay, whatever you have a passion for, start looking into products that you can be affiliate to. Okay, want to go over why affiliate marketing. Best thing is you don't have to create a product, don't have to own a product, so it's done for you. Yeah, the product's done. It's a good business model. It's a low investment to start up, and I'll talk about investments later in the training series. It's a good business model, and it's a low investment compared to like brick and mortar businesses, like opening a shop or starting a Subway franchise or McDonald's. You know, they're hundreds of thousands. So very, very low, very, very low, and returns are very high. So that's why affiliate marketing is so powerful. You can earn high ticket commissions, like I said. It's not all about earning $100 commissions or anything like that. You can earn the higher end, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 commissions. Okay, you don't have to deal with shipping any product. You know, all these products are online. All these products are sent to people digitally, so you don't have to send anything or ship anything, and you don't have to deal with support. The company that you're working with or you're affiliated to do all the support, so you don't have to deal with that. Okay, so very stress free, very good in my opinion. That's why I got involved with it. However, I want to say this because many people don't. If you're coming and watching this video and you think affiliate marketing you can get rich quick, unsubscribe from my YouTube. Don't watch this video anymore, seriously, because I'm not about that. The industry is not about that, and affiliate marketing is not about that. And that's 100% truth, okay? Yes, you can make great money with affiliate marketing, but there is a learning curve. It's like any business, it has a learning curve. You need to learn the right skills to make this work. But don't worry, because the skills are simple to learn, and you're going to learn it all here in the training series, in this video series that I'm doing, okay? I want you to be able to have a business set up and ready to go, okay? So it has a learning curve. You need to put work in. You need to show up daily. If that's an hour a day, 2 hours a day, whatever you can do, you need to put the work in. Yes, it's not hard, really hard work, but you still need to put work in, okay? You won't get rich overnight, like I said, so get out of your mind. This is a real business, like any real business. If you're starting a building company or PT business or anything like that, you need to put the work in. You don't just start a company and you go start getting money in from everywhere, okay? It's the same with online. Even though it's online, you still need to put the work in, and this is a long-term business, okay? So you always got to learn, you always got to grow, invest in some tools, like any other business you would, okay? So I just wanted to put that out there as like a kind of disclaimer, because what I show you through this video training series all depends on your work ethic, all depends if you take action. Watching this and doing nothing, you won't get any results. It's like me walking into a gym, looking at the machines, not using them, thinking I'm going to get a six-pack or build muscle, or, you know, it doesn't happen. You need to put the work in. Use the machine, put the work in, eat good food to get the results. Same with a business online, okay? It's long term as well. So I want to go over the setup. And this, if you see this and it looks confusing, don't worry. Because I'm going to go over this live for you. I'll go on to the computer and you'll go see what each thing is. So traffic. Let's talk about traffic. So you have a product, let's say. You have a product in the health and fitness niche. You need to get people to that product. And I say it over and over again, I'm going to show you how to do this in many, many different ways in this videos training series. You need to get traffic, which only means, don't get confused with the because people throw this term around everywhere, traffic. You need to get traffic, which just means targeted people who are interested in your offer or product. So if you've got a weight loss product, you need to target people who are searching and looking for people ways to lose weight, and then the sales go become it's going to become easier to get a sale because they're already searching and already looking for ways to lose weight. So if your product's showing up, they're in the mindset, they know they have a problem where they need to lose weight, and they're already out here looking for a solution, okay? So that's all it is. Traffic is just people. You've got to remember people has emotions, feelings. So you need to remember that in affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing is a relationship building business as well. You need to get good at building relationships with people when we talk about traffic wise, okay? So don't worry, I'll show you how to all do that. You send this traffic to a capture page, okay? So this is where people go wrong. Normally people here get traffic and they skip this middle bit and they go all the way over to a sales page, okay? So they send these targeted people just to a sales page. No. Stop that. If you're doing that right now, if you're watching this, no. Okay? You send traffic to a capture page to a sales page. So what this capture page does, which I'll show you in a minute, it builds your email list. Okay? It builds your email list, which means you're building a list of people who've entered their email list because they're interested in the product. Because we're doing that, and I want to explain why, because a lot of my training I like explaining why, so you understand it, why we're doing this. A lot of people, they just say just do it, but there's no reasoning behind it. The reason behind the capture page is because if you send traffic straight to a sales page, you are losing sales, because a very, very small percentage will buy the product the first time they see it. Okay, the first time they see it. So that if you're sending traffic straight to a sales page, you're losing money because not many people will buy straight away. That's the truth. It's a small percentage may buy straight away, and you might get some front end sales, but a small percentage will only buy, and the others won't, and they exit the page. Okay, and then you lost that lead for life. They're gone now. So you can see why we need that capture page, which is basically just all it is it's capturing an email. You have probably done this online. If you're even shopping, they ask you to sign up to a newsletter, or you've probably seen this in other businesses where you've got to enter your email to get to the next page. This is them building a list. That's all it is, okay? So these targeted people, you need to build a list, okay? And then with your list, you send out automated emails every day showing the product again, getting to know you, getting to know the product, and again, I'll do an in-depth training video about that. But this is just the overview, and this is all it is. Don't overcomplicate it. This is all it is. You can make it a full-time income with this setup, okay? Seriously. So I'm excited to share all this with you. So what we're going to do now is exit this, and I just want to show you this setup, okay? So I'm just going to show you the capture page, because traffic, we all know what it is now. It's just people interested, because the next video is going to show you how to get the traffic. Okay, so that's the next video in the series, is getting the traffic. I just wanted to give you an overview of what this part is, because this is the main bit. So if I just exit this, I want to show you something quickly. So this is a capture page, okay? This is for like the business niche, make money online niche, affiliate marketing niche, build a business online niche kind of product, okay? I suggest you get on this product because it's very, very good, and you're going to get all the extra knowledge you need, and you can be able to have the setup I've just showed you without doing it yourself. So all you got to do is you send the traffic to this page. So here's it says some stuff about the product. Get access. Now this is the capture page here, okay? And in future videos I'm going to show you how to build one, but that's down the line, because you can have this setup all done for you anyway already, okay? And this is the best way to get started with affiliate marketing. So if you're watching this and you want to get started with affiliate marketing, click that link below, because this is going to have all the setup is going to be done for you. And that's the number one way I suggest you get started before trying to build your own or anything like that down the line. Let's get some cash flowing going in. Let's get some cash flow coming in, okay? So you don't need to do this all yourself. Just want to put that out there. So this is a capture page. You send the targeted people to here. They put their name in. They put their email in. They're getting instant access. They will get then taken to the sales page, and there'll be a video on there. And this is sales page. Jonathan going through it all, and a small percentage will buy. Okay, a small percentage will buy, and the rest will go on your email list, where they will get your automated emails. So this is it. That is the setup, guys, okay? That is the setup. So I hope if you enjoyed this video, like I said, hit the notification bell, because the next one we're delving deep into traffic, okay? I'm going to share with you the different traffic sources that you can use to get started getting eyeballs to your offers, again, in any niche, okay? So if you want to get started, if you want to partner with me, if you want to work with me and Jonathan, click the link below in the first one, and you'll go get all this bit, the capture page, all that sales page, all done up. And as a bonus, I'm going to give you email follow-ups as well. I'll give you a special one-on-one training that I'll send you, which shows you how to set the email list and everything up, okay? Easy, step-by-step. So this is all going to be step-by-step stuff, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. Click the first link below, get started with this, message me for any details. I've got my email below, I've got my Facebook group. Go and head there, you go get more coaching. You can ask questions there as well. You can private message me on Facebook. I'll put all the links below. But guys, this is the best way to get started. So look forward to seeing you on the next video, and speak to you soon.